Hey my tinies, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya and I go by Makeup by Tiny D because I am literally 4'10". On my good days I am 4'11". But anyways, today is just going to be a short video on how I've been caring for my skin. So it's a lot healthier than how it's been, which is amazing because I have been using some new products that I really enjoy. Now this one I actually got from a store here in town. It's a grocery outlet, and it has this removes, and it has this one and a different one. But one thing that I do not like about this one is that when you turn it on, it just vibrates. So this doesn't rotate, it just vibrates, and there's only 2 speeds. But regardless, this is like a complete dupe from that expensive one, and this was only $4.99, guys, and I really enjoy it a lot, even if it doesn't like rotate the bristles, but that's okay. Now another one that I have been loving is the NXN Beauty products. Now this is just face care, and these 3 items I use for night, and I use this one and I use these 2 for mornings. Now I really enjoy this. So if you guys have oily skin, this little kit will be amazing for you, because once you're done using this, you actually apply this primer and it gives you like matte skin, which is so amazing. So I do love it. Now this one is just a Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. So this one just removes your makeup, and it just cleanses your face. So it says apply the instant foaming cleanser to damp skin in small circular motions to dissolve makeup, dirt, and oil. And then it says rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. Use daily, morning and evening. Avoid direct contact with eyes. And it is cruelty free, guys. So that guy right there is cruelty free. At night I use this one, and then I use the Power Detox Clear Complexion Mask, and this one just says blackheads and oil meet your match. So I guess it helps with blackheads. Didn't even know that. But it says apply a thin, even layer to clean, damp skin, avoiding the eye area. Wait 5 to 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly with Lux warm water. Use 1 to 2 times per week as needed to maintain a flawless complexion. And guys, let me tell you, my complexion has been flawless. And now for nighttime as well, I use the Balance Beam Oil Control Moisture. So it says steady, confident skin awaits. And it says apply to freshly washed face using gentle upward strokes. Avoid contact with ice. Best results use with NXN Fresh Starting Foam Cleanser. So, and if you guys purchase this, it comes in a kit where it tells you which ones to use in the morning and which ones to use at night. And that's actually really amazing, which I love because I need directions and pictures. I don't know, I'm like that. But anyways, let's go ahead and start off by damping our face with warm water. Now I did just get done doing a video, so we're just gonna, so my face feels a little rough. So this I will actually apply all over my skin. So it is foamy and it smells like lime, guys, and it's just amazing. There we go. And look at all that. Guys, do try to avoid your eyes because some of it just dripped in my eyes, but it burns. Oh God, I just got it in my eye again. So now we're just gonna take it off. Oh my God, that burns, guys. And pat dry. So, as you can see, my skin looks a little bit better. It's not as oily and it's not as dirty. But, my brush, guys, it was so nasty. I don't know. I did try to show you guys a little bit, but then I got stuff in my eye. So, it was super nasty. And that's all the makeup and the dirt that it took off. So, that's how you know it's working. But, oh my God, look, guys, my eye turned red. Okay, so now we're just gonna damp our face again. And we're gonna be using the Power Detox Clear Complexion Mask. Alright guys, so we're gonna let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes and I will be back. Alright my tinies, so I am back and as you can see it is completely dry. So, and I look like a ghost, which is scary, but anyways, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it off and pat dry, so I will be back and we will do the finishing one. Alright my tinies, so now we are back and we're going to be doing the last thing, and we're going to be using the Balance Beam Oil Control Moisture. That is this right here, and this is the last thing that we are going to do. Now we're just going to squirt some in our hand, and it looks a little bit clear. So we're just going to apply all over our face. And it says use upward motion, so this is what I like to do. Alright, so that is it. So, my tinies, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video, but don't forget to check out their website. They are on Instagram and Facebook. I don't have a Facebook, so do follow them on Instagram, and I will have their links down below so you guys can check them out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, my tinies.